The history of herbs. Basil. Basil comes from the Latin basileus and Greek meaning royal or kingly plant, possibly because the plant was believed to have been used in production of royal perfumes. Basil is likewise sometimes referred to in French as les herbes royales, or the royal herb. There are many rituals and beliefs associated with basil. The ancient Egyptians and ancient Greeks believed basil would open the gates of heaven for a person passing on. Jewish folklore suggests it adds strength while fasting. However, herbalist Nicholas Culpeper saw basil as a plant of dread and suspicion. Basil also has religious significance. In the Greek Orthodox Church, basil is used to prepare and sprinkle holy water, and some Greek Orthodox Christians even avoid eating basil due to its association with the legend of the elevation of the Holy Cross. Basil is most commonly used fresh in recipes. In general, it's added last, as cooking quickly destroys the flavor. Basil is one of the main ingredients in pesto, an Italian sauce with olive oil and basil as its primary ingredients. It is also an essential ingredient in the popular Italian-American marinara sauce. Chinese cuisine also uses fresh or dried basils in soups and other foods. In Taiwan, they add fresh basil leaves to thick soups. They also eat fried chicken with deep-fried basil leaves. Thai basil is commonly steeped in cream or milk to create an interesting flavor in ice cream or chocolates, such as truffles. Basil's essential oil is effective against a large number of bacterial and fungal species. In folk medicine practices, basil is thought to have therapeutic properties. Studies of the essential oil have shown insect-repelling properties, including potential toxicity to mosquitoes. Thank you for watching The History of Herbs, brought to you by Dherbs.com.